Welcome to today's video, where I will show you how to easily view your block list in the Viber app on your phone. This is helpful if you want to check which contacts you have blocked, or if you decide to unblock someone. By the end, you will know exactly where to find this setting and how to manage it. First, open the Viber app on your phone. Next, look at the bottom right corner and tap on the More option. Then, from the menu, tap on Settings to access your app's configuration options. After that, tap on Privacy to access your privacy controls. Now, scroll down until you find the Block List option. Finally, tap on Block List and you will see the list of all users you have blocked. If you want to unblock someone, simply tap on Unblock next to their name. In conclusion, checking your Viber block list is quick and easy when you know where to look. Follow these simple actions to view or update your blocked contacts anytime.